Can you reuse the nut and sleeve when replacing these compression shutoffs? I guess the short answer would be, in a lot of cases, yes, you can. You got to do some investigating first, because obviously every scenario is going to be different. This one looks pretty promising. So get the water shut off, and get the line strain, and get the old ones off, and inspect everything real good. Inspect the pipe, the nut, and the compression ring that you're going to reuse. Get rid of any dirt, corrosion. Make sure that ring doesn't have any cracks or anything in it. Everything looks good. Take the new nut and ring off of the new shutoff. It's a quarter turn ball valve. Get the new ones on there and crank them down. Give them an extra little turn. And then I bleed the air out of these lines so there's water right up to the shutoff, and leave it sit overnight. If you do get a drip, you can try tightening a little bit more, but you might have to, you might have to redo the pipes, and a lot of people can't afford to do that. So this was a good fix for these folks, and no leaks. So hope that helps.